Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, as you can see, it's a bit different. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me makeup tutorial, but this time I'm not doing a talk through. So give this video a thumbs up for more makeup get ready with me videos, and sit back and relax and watch me do my makeup, starting off with this Clinique Moisture Surge, and the rest you will be able to watch. All of the beauty products will be listed in the description box below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And okay, that's enough of me talking. You guys can watch the rest.
Just